Beware, beware, the beast of the dark, whose powers may stop your beating heart. Keep your eyes peeled, or it may peel them for you, bite you, claw you, or simply destroy you. But beware, beware, the beast is deceiving with its scaled dark skin and silent, subtle breathing. It can morph into the shadows. It can smell you on the breeze. It can snatch you from your bed, leave you begging on your knees for mercy, for restraint, for the sake of your beliefs, for the pity of your family. Oh, how they will wallow in your grief. But beware, beware. The beast hides within you, crosses your thoughts for a moment, then watches everything you do. It will find you at your weakest. It will have you running blind. As it festers in your shadow, can you feel it taking your mind? Everything's gone cold. All you can see in the dark is that you in fact ripped out your own pathetic little heart. Your mind settles and you realize that you were the beast right from the start.